In this video, we're going to be looking at the sides being in proportion, and so we're given two sets of parallel lines, and we are given the fact that AB as a ratio to BE is 1:3. So let's just start with that. I prefer to write it like this. That's just me. And so AB is 1, but I won't just leave it as the number 1, whereas these numbers in black were given. They're actual units, so I'll call it like 1K, and BE is 3K. And that will mean immediately that the other side of the triangle, the 3 here, is in a ratio of 1:3. So let's just lay it out to make it look a bit easier. So AB to BE is the same ratio as AC to CD. I know that AB is, from what I'm using, 1K and BE is 3K. AC is actually 3 and CD I'm not too sure about at the moment. The K's will cancel. I'm going to take the CD to the top and I'm going to take the remaining 3 to the top. And so I'll end up with CD is equal to 9. So I've answered this question, what is CD? It's 9 units. But for me, I prefer working with each individual side. So if the whole length of CD here is 9, but there's already an X, then GD is 9 minus X. So I'm straight away, before I even worry what the next questions are going to be, I'm going to fill that in. Then they ask, what's the value of X? And so I'm going to imagine tilting this triangle on its side. I'm going to look at it as if this is the top here. And so I'm going to, if I actually draw it for you just to make sense of it, you've got a 6 and a 3, you've got a 9 minus X, and you've got an entire bottom here, which is AG. So that's the 3 and the X, so X plus 3. So here goes the ratio. 3 over 6 should be the same as 9 minus X over X plus 3. This is just a half, and so I'm going to times X plus 3 up to the top here, where at the moment I've just got a half, so times by 1, so it's X plus 3, and this is 2. I'm going to times it up here, so it will be 18 minus 2X. Take the X's to one side, take the numbers to the other side, so X just equals 5 units. Okay, and that's fine, I'm done. And then again, just as a good habit, this actual length now is 5, and this one was 9 minus X, 9 minus 5, so this actual length is 4. So I've just got lots to work with by the time I come to working out BC. BC is the top here over the entire bottom, so then I must use the top here over the entire line. So BC, the top over the entire bottom, 6 plus 3, is equal to the top, I've got it as 1K over the entire line, which is 4K. So what's BC? The K's will cancel. I'll take 9 to the top, so it's just 9 over 4. And that's how you can get that answer really quickly. So you can see as I go, I like to fill in as much as I can to just simplify subsequent questions. I also subtly, if I want BC for this last question, I like to put it at the top of the fraction so that it's just much, much easier when it comes to timesing everything else out. I hope that you found that video helpful. If you did, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. I will do a follow-on little question to do with areas, comparing the area of this triangle with this triangle, which is quite funky, in the next video.